कि बहुत बार लोग ना ऐसे एंटाइटल्ड बिहेव करते हैं कि यू शुड ट्रीट मी एज अ पार्टनर, यू शुड नॉट ट्रीट मी एज अ वेंडर। ये बोलने से नहीं होगा। You are the vendor who is going to enable this particular individual to do the job. That person technically, when they call you, when they ask you for help, they are not trying to make you work. They want to get that work done. And they feel insecure or worried because maybe their job is online, maybe their results are online. That means अगर आप as a business owner देखते हैं कि 3 levels down the line in your company, a customer support agent is not doing right to a customer's employee on the other side who is also entrusted with a job there. If your person is not incentivized or reprimanded if they don't do it right, your trust at the bottom will never happen. Penetrating this feeling that not only at the top we gel well with our customers, but at the middle and bottom, the teams that are working with each other, they gel well and they create a partnership of mutual trust. इसका कोई शॉर्टकट तो नहीं है, पर शॉर्टकट भी है. आई थिंक इसको बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. A customer's relationship with you, and I say this for every vendor, every company, every business. मैं देखता हूँ बहुत बार कि लोग ना, happens with us as well, कि बहुत बार लोग ना ऐसे एंटाइटल्ड बिहेव करते हैं कि यू शुड ट्रीट मी एज अ पार्टनर, यू शुड नॉट ट्रीट मी एज अ वेंडर. ये बोलने से नहीं होगा. ये ऐसा वाला हो गया कि आप किसी को बोल रहे हैं प्लीज रिस्पेक्ट मी. रिस्पेक्ट तो नहीं मिलेगी. ऐसे मांगने से तो क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं मिलता, रिस्पेक्ट कैसे मिलेगी? बेसिक ह्यूमन इमोशन ऑफ एवरी टीममेट ऑन द कस्टमर साइड, व्हाट इज दैट? दे आर इंटरेस्टेड विद द जॉब. You are the vendor who's supposed to enable them to do that job. You are not doing the job. You are the vendor who is going to enable this particular individual to do the job, to get the results. That person technically, when they call you, when they ask you for help of any type and kind, they are not trying to make you work. उसका एजेंडा लाइफ में ये नहीं है कि आज मैं तेरे को सैटरडे को काम करूंगा. They want to get that work done, and they feel insecure or worried because maybe their job is online, maybe their results are online, maybe their prestige is online, maybe they are extremely meticulous and diligent and they don't want anything to go wrong under their watch, right? उनकी आपसे expectation है. The shortest path to having mutual partnership level relationship across companies, as a vendor, is to just make sure that all your people are continuously trained, taught, incentivized to respond on time. मैं आपको इस बात की गारंटी दे सकता हूँ कि दुनिया में आप चाहे कोई सर्विस चलाते हो, कोई प्रोडक्ट चलाते हो, कुछ भी करते हो, अगर आप अपने कस्टमर का फ़ोन उठाते हैं, दैट मीन्स अगर आप एज अ बिजनेस ओनर देखते हैं कि 3 levels down the line in your company, a customer support agent is not doing right to a customer's employee on the other side who is also entrusted with a job there. If your person is not incentivized or reprimanded if they don't do it right, your trust at the bottom will never happen. आप ऊपर क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग करते रहेंगे, आप लोगों को डिनर पे ले जाते रहेंगे, ड्रिंक्स पे ले जाते रहेंगे, कोशिश करते रहेंगे बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट की, एंड रियलिटी में नीचे आपका फीडबैक हमेशा ख़राब रहेगा. लोग हमेशा आपको कभी ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर अस एज अ कंपनी, आई डू मेजर दिस क्वाइट वेल कि हमें कितने रेफरल्स उन लोगों से आते हैं जो हमारे कस्टमर्स, मीन्स रेस्टोरेंट ब्रांड्स के एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, जो दूसरी साइड पे unnamed, lack of face, somebody who's, let's say, a restaurant manager who we don't know as a person, right? हमारे लिए वो faceless entity है as a company, because we don't deal with them on a day-to-day basis. But when they move on and they join another restaurant or a group, they will give us a call. For us, that's a very, very big tick, right? Because they're not incentivized. We are not treating them with, for anything. हम उनको कोई गिफ्ट नहीं भेज रहे, हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, पर वो क्यों बुला रहा है हमें, क्यों रेफरल आ रहा है? बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है. उसको वही जॉब करने में वहां पे तकलीफ आ रही है क्योंकि सामने वाला वेंडर इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग करेक्टली. दैट पर्सन is not giving you business. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आपको बिजनेस देने के लिए वहां गया है, वो अपनी जॉब आसान करना चाहता है. आप वो वेंडर हो जिसकी वजह से उसकी जॉब आसान हो जाएगी या फिर रिलायबल हो जाएगी, प्रिडिक्टेबल हो जाएगी. एंड दिस सेंटिमेंट इज सुपरलेटिव. Like you can't beat that. No amount of marketing dollars can beat this. So how do you penetrate that into your system? I don't know. I think for me, what has really worked is I don't think I've ever done anything specific to make sure that people, through our hierarchy, gel well with people through the hierarchy of our customers. I think what we have done correctly is 2-3 things. One, we take our customer service very, very seriously. And by customer service, I mean customer service at all levels. Means, अगर किसी ने किसी को sell किया है, तो that salesperson should always be available if that customer calls. Account management team should always be available if that customer calls. जिस टीम ने onboarding और implementation की थी उस सॉफ्टवेयर की, वो भी हमेशा available होना चाहिए, चाहे handover हो चुका है. और customer support team का तो काम ही वो कॉल लेना है. Across these 4 layers, if everybody is available, and last is probably me and a couple of our C-level, people, I can tell you that if anybody has ever reached out to me, and there have been times when people have reached out to me on LinkedIn, on Twitter, people have messaged me on Instagram on a Diwali night, saying, hello, I'm your customer, I'm in trouble, your customer support team is not responding. And this is 11 p.m. Diwali night. And I immediately checked my Instagram, called that guy back, got my team to respond. Turned out कि उनके यहाँ पे कुछ इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम था. That guy wrote a message to me at 1 a.m. saying, I'm really embarrassed, I'm extremely sorry, but thank you. You responded on a Diwali night, you didn't have to, it will always remain with me. And trust me, in that moment, I was not thinking कि मैं कोई महान कार्य कर रहा हूँ. I have one job. I mean, my job is to serve my customer. And I actually wrote it. I said, see, it also doesn't matter whether it was your mistake. The fact is that your store was in distress. It was Diwali. I get it. It's all okay. All cool. And next time, just trust that our teams respond. He said, no, I saw that. I'm sorry. Even if this was not a win, even if, let's say, our team was at fault, I would have taken that bullet. So I think people just want that. आपको अपने प्लम्बर से रिश्तेदारी थोड़ी करनी है. आपको बस इतना चाहिए कि जब फोन करे आ जाए, और जब आए तो काम कर जाए, और अगली बार दोबारा कोई तकलीफ हो तो आ जाए, और जो काम करके जाए अगर उसमें कोई खराबी हो जाए तो फिर वापस रिस्पॉन्ड कर दे. और अगर ये काम 10-12 साल के सिलसिले में चल जाए तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, आप घर की शादी में बुला सकते हो उसको. हाई चांस.